Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on this episode, we're going to start working on a 1969 Lincoln Mark III. This car was last tagged in 1979, so it's been sitting a long time. This car was sitting in some sort of storage. I don't know exactly what it was, but it appears to be like it was inside or under cover somewhere. I did not pull this out of the barn, we'll call it. Someone else did, and they brought it home, thought they were going to work on it as a project, and discovered this was going to be over their head, and so they basically just got rid of it. So anyway, we're going to take it on, and hopefully we can get it running and driving. So thanks for watching. Alright, today we're going to look at a 1969 Lincoln Mark III. It's kind of a yellow or tan color. Not my favorite color, but it looks like a pretty good car in the picture, so hopefully the long drive we have works out. Looks like an awesome day to go look at cars. It's a little drizzly, cold. Good stuff. let's take a quick walk around the Lincoln. The dash is not even cracked in this car. It's a nice shag carpet, kind of shaggy. That door weighs about 1,000 pounds. $83,632.3 miles showing. Alright, we're going to take a look at the ranch. This is where I keep my all my ponies. 365 of them according to the tag. That was kind of cool how they did that back in the day. This car is it's a barn find car. I know I picked it up on the street. That guy was nice enough to drive 2 hours and pull it out of the barn for me. And but it is actually a barn find car. You can see the old Texas tags. I'm excited to dig into this old beast. This car's still got markings on it, which is kind of nice. I don't know if there's any other ones, but I happened to see that one. The round key is the one you need for this. Oh good, there's that piece of trim. So on these cars, this vent right back here, Thunderbirds are the same way. I don't know why they did it this way, but if you look back in there, you can see there's a tube, and that tube should have went through that hole right up there. So like right now, every time it rains, the trunk on this car is gonna fill up with water. So I gotta, be conscious of that. I'll probably throw something over that if the car's going to be outside. There's the trunk light switch hidden in the hinge. Yeah, don't think that's going to work. I think that chrome on the bumpers is going to clean up really nice. Man, 1979. Got all 4 hubcaps, that's awesome. There's the remote mirror switch or lever. There's a speed button up there. I don't know if this thing must have cruise control. Yeah, it looks like it does. There. The Cartier clock. That's the wiper switch. This thing's got some lights up here too. Seat belts, door ajar, headlamps, trunk open. Oh, it's got power trunk on it. There's a light back there up on the rear package tray. That's interesting. I gotta see what that is. Not really sure what that is. It doesn't say anything on it, but nonetheless, kind of interesting. One switch for the window and one for the light. Same over here. One for the window, one for the light. This is kind of a cool old car. I wish it was a leather interior car, but hey, you can't have everything. Alright, first attempt on the Lincoln. I put a fresh battery in it. I poured a little fuel into the float bowl, and I also ran a line from a can of gas through the fuel pump so I can see if the fuel pump works. I'm not really sure, so we'll see what happens. We'll turn the key and see if it fires up. Alright, I got it in park. I turned the key on, so let's give it a whirl. Make sure nothing's hitting anything. Wow. I don't think I have ever had one fire that fast. It's obviously needs a tune-up. So I don't know for sure that it was running off the fuel pump. I gotta check that yet. I'm gonna take a look at a couple other things and try to see if I can get that little bit of a miss out of it. It's obviously got a gasket that's bad in the exhaust on the passenger side, but that's a good start. Alright, that's going to do it for another episode of Up and Running. Be sure to come back next time. We'll keep working on that Lincoln. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Up and Running. Thanks for... Don't mess with the blinds. There's our girl Nikki. She came to watch us record today. Right, Nick? Nikki, sit. There you go. Good girl, Nick.